Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, you are given the following information about three funds. Basically, Tani, All Fund and Manoj, debt, debt and equity mix, and Dani, high debt, low equity fund. Some of the detail has been given, particulars and Tani, Mani and Dani. Average return would be 25, 18 and 12. Standard deviation 10, 5, 3. Correlation with the market 0.3, 0.7 and zero point 0.5. If the risk-free rate is 5%, return on the market is 16% with a standard deviation of 4%. You are required to compute total gain and net gain under pharma net selectivity method and systematic and unsystematic risk. So going ahead with the solution, evaluation of fund, we have average return of Tani would be 25, Mani would be 18 and Dani would be 12. Standard deviation 10, 5 and 3. Correlation with the market 0.3, 0.7 and zero point 0.5. So computation of beta would be correlation with the market into standard deviation of security divided by standard deviation of market. So for that we have portfolio beta. So the portfolio beta would be for Tani it would be 3.3 into 10 by 4 which is 0.75, and for Mani it would be zero point 0.7 into 7 by 4 which is 0.88, and for Dani it would be zero point 0.5 into 9 by 4 which gives you 0.38. Now actual risk premium would be RF minus RP minus RF, that is return of the security minus risk free rate, which is 20 minus 5 which is 20, 25 minus 5 which is 20, 18 minus 5 which is 13 and 12 minus 5 which is 7. Now computation of net gain. Net gain would be desired risk premium, that is RM minus RF into standard deviation of security divided by standard deviation of market, which means 11 into 10 by 4 and 11 into 5 by 4 and 11 into 3 by 4 gives you 27.5 and 13.75 and 8.75. Therefore net selectivity would be negative 7.5 and negative 0.75 and negative 1.5. So the net selectivity is nothing but when we deduct the actual risk premium from the net desired risk premium. So actual risk premium minus desired risk premium would be the net gain of selectivity. Now the computation of Jensen's alpha. So computation of desired premium using Jensen's alpha method. So the desired premium would be RM minus RF into standard ppm into standard deviation of security divided by standard deviation of market. For that it would be 27.5 into zero point 0.3 and 13.75 into zero point 0.7 and 8.25 into zero point 0.3. So the risk premium would be 8.25, 9.625 and 4.125. For total gain would be actual risk minus desired risk. For the second one, that is 20 minus 8.25, answer 11.25, and 13 minus 9.63, answer 3.375, and 7 minus 4.13 which gives 2.875. Now the computation of systematic risk. So the systematic risk would be standard deviation of portfolio, standard deviation of the security into beta. So the standard deviation of the security would be 10 into 0.75 which is 7.5 and 5 into 0.875 which is 4.875 and 3 into 0.37 which is 1.125. And systematic risk would be total risk minus systematic risk. So total risk would be 10, and systematic risk as computed above be 7.5, which gives the unsystematic risk as 2.5, and here 5 minus 4.375, which gives 0.625, and 3 minus 1.125, which gives you 1.1875. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.